hands are so heavy.
Q.
What happened to the rest of the alphabet?
He went through it so good there.
Ava. Oh, there's Aunt Jo and Ava.
Oh. And Dodo.
And Dodo.
Help you up? Okay.
What'd you get? Yeah, video that. What is it?
Is it? Oh, it's the America's Funniest Home Video Game.
Video game.
Everett, come here.
Got it, Brianna?
Tell him. Let's sing the ABCs.
That's how important you are.
Come here. Sing the ABCs for Mom.
Let's sing ABCs. Let's
Ready?
sing ABCs.
And then you and Sherry can do the wheels on the bus.
Yes.
Ready?
I think she's good.
You and Sherry do it right now.
Okay, do the wheels on the bus with Sherry.
Ready, Everett?
With Sherry. With Sherry.
The wheels on the bus go round. Not like on her face watch.
You go by Sherry and you guys can do the actions.
Just take it easy. Don't bounce. The wheels on the bus go round and round. You want more?
Out through town.
The doors on the bus go.
Shut. Open and shut.
Shut. The wheels on the doors on the bus go.
Look at that sweater.
I remember that.
Oh wow.
Wow. Right?
The wipers on the bus go.
I don't know whoever gave that to you.
Swish.
I don't remember.
The wipers on the bus go. All through the town.
Yeah.
The driver on the bus goes.
Says,
Move on back.
move.
Move on back. Move on back. The driver on the bus says. All through the town. The babies on the bus go. The babies on the bus go. All through the town. The mamas on the bus go. The mamas on the bus go. All through the town. The daddies on the bus. Huh?
Quack, quack, quack.
The daddies on the bus go.
Say, I love you. Yep.
I love you. The daddies on the bus say. All through the town. So, on Brian's bus, there's ducks. The ducks on the bus go quack, quack, quack. All through the town.
Okay,
On Brian's bus, he's got doggies too.
Everett, we need a nice ABCs.
Okay.
Oh, let's see the ABCs. Stand up. Sing them with
Where's
Sherry.
the volume? The light gray one.
Turn around. That one. Turn around and do ABCs.
Oh no, it's right here. I'm sorry.
Wait.
No, it's not. Let's do that one, honey. No, that's the dark
All right. Do the ABCs good. Let's.
What is that?
Sorry, Dodo.
No, it's alright.
Dodo. Sorry.
And Dodo.
I don't know what it is.
Maybe it's a piece of jewelry.
Everett, sing the ABCs.
Oh, it's a ring. It's a ring bus.